Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished another custom build / revalve on a set of 2022 Honda CRF250R Showa 49mm twin chamber spring forks. These forks received the JBI Suspension Pro Revalve. That is our revalve with additional hardware upgrades to further improve the performance of the fork. Details of this kit can be found at ridejbi.com. The kit is also available as a do-it-yourself install kit where we will build you a custom set or a custom spec based upon your exact riding needs. Ship that to you and you can have it installed locally by yourself or a suspension tuner that you know and trust. Other upgrades to the forks are the upper tubes receive the JBI Fukushima coat. The inner tubes receive the JBI Chameleon coat. And the lower lugs receive the JBI Cerakote in a burnt bronze color. JBI titanium rainbow bolts were the final touch. These match very well with the chameleon coat on the inner fork tubes. This was set up to our JBI suspension motocross spec for a rider in the Northern California area for that type of terrain and the tracks that they commonly ride in their local proximity. We have also developed many other settings for different types of riding. So if you would like a suspension setup from Ride JBI, please give us a call or send an email, and we'd be happy to talk to you about a setup we can do for you. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.